Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Project X, or Project GMT400, sorry, changed the name. Gonna give you a quick little walk around on my 92 Z71. Here's my 1992 Z71 Chevrolet. I did a ground up restoration on it 4 years ago. I'm up here in Canada and it's impossible to find these trucks nice up here. They're around, but rarely come up for sale. And I was kind of set on having a black one. This truck was maroon and silver step side when I got it. Converted it to fleet side, then went with the black and silver. I'd had a truck very similar to this back in the day. Wanted to have the same truck again. So here we go. The truck was actually a super cool truck when I got it. It was about as low as you could get. It had a factory bucket console, which is super cool. You don't see too many of these trucks with factory buckets. But interior is all super clean in this truck. Original interior. I guess a few things that if any of you guys are fixing these up, the things that are hard to come by are these cargo light switches. They're reproduced by RZ Lights. They have those in like fog light switches and stuff. Another thing, it's another hard thing to come by, is a steering wheel that's a nice shape. AZA steering wheels. Recover these steering wheels with Napa leather. Has red stitching on it. Feels super nice. I definitely look them up. Steering wheels aren't cheap, but man, they look good. Another little quick tidbit on hard things to come by excuse me, is these floor mats. They're produced by Holley out of the States there, Holley Performance, and they look good and fit nice. So that's another thing that's a hard thing to come by. Just kind of going around with the truck is I went with the GM Performance parts. I think it's like a 290 horse crate engine in this thing, but it's been running good. Headers and everything on it been great. No real complaints. I'm gonna try a Holley Sniper though, so I think this injection just can't quite keep up to the what the engine requires, I guess. So speaking of Holley Performance, where I got the floor mats, I guess they're repopping these grills, and they're 100% correct where it comes up here, where this is an aftermarket one from LMC, so it's not quite 100% OE looking, but I've yet to buy one, so I can't quite have a review on that quite yet. Wheels I had redone, resurfaced at a local rim repair shop. They did an excellent job of those things. Yeah, I don't know, not a whole lot more to say. The truck's a 342 truck. It's great on gas, 1800 RPM going down the highway, drives like a dream. Tons of thumbs up everywhere I go. So, but speaking of thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, and smash that subscribe button would be sweet. Trying to build a channel, getting close to 1,000 subscribers now, so it's almost payday. Thanks for coming by. Any other questions on the truck, feel free to write me a message. Thank you. Bye.